Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting the exercise 12.3 from question 5 till the remaining. And in the next video, we'll be starting the revision of chapter 12, and finally, we'll be completing class 6 mathematics. So without any further delay, let's start. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. So if the rate of temperature drop remains the same or constant, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? So we have to find the drop. We have to find the drop that will be on the right side and on the basis of the number of days. So that is will be on the left side. What is given to us? Given to us is that in 30 days we get 15 degrees of drop. We get 15 degrees Celsius of drop. So this is something which I would like to tell you, that when a difference is mentioned like in 30 days or 10 days, it is not written degrees Celsius, rather it is written Celsius degree. You might discuss this with your physics teacher in class 8, and then you will understand the difference, but it is not a difference that will get your answers to be incorrect. It is just a matter of convention. So nothing special, but a special fact. So 15 degrees Celsius will be on the right. We will convert 30 into 1 by dividing by 30. 30 divided by 30 will be 1, and 15 divided by 30 will give us 1 upon 2, or 0.5 degrees Celsius. After that, we will convert 1 into 10. So we will write 10 days as by multiplying by 10, and 0.5 into 10 will be over here, and the answer will be 5 degree Celsius. So the drop of temperature within the next 10 days will be 5 degree Celsius. So coming to the next question. Question number 6. China pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains the same? Okay, so we have to find out the rent on the basis of a whole year, that is on the basis of months. So the given is that rupees, not rupees, it will be 3 months, and this will be rupees 15,000, and 3 months will be 1 month dividing by 3, and this will be rupees 15,000 dividing by 3, and that will give us the answer of 5,000 rupees, and this will be per month. So for a whole year we will have 12 months, and we will multiply the right side also with 12, so we will get rupees 5,000 into 12, and that will be 12 5s are 60, and 3 zeros will be added, and therefore the answer is rupees 60,000. Coming to the next question. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 180. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? So number of bananas is the answer, and the cost or the price is the basis. So we will follow this order, and we will write rupees 180 gives us 4 dozen, that is 4 into 12 bananas. After that we will convert that into 1. So rupees 1 rupee gives us 4 into 12 upon 180. We will try to simplify that. How? We will try to simplify by 2 6 times and 2 9 times. After that we will try it 3 2 times and 3 3 0 times. After that this will be 2 1 times, and this will be 15 times. So this will be 4 upon 15. After that we will try to multiply both the sides by rupees 90, and the answer will be rupees 90 gives us 4 upon 15, and this is bananas into 90. So 15 or by 9 going into 90 will be 2s are 30 and 3 times 30 is 90. So 3 2s are 6 and therefore this is 6 4s are 24 bananas. For those who have watched the video of minions, I hope that you remember the favorite term of the minions and that is banana. Coming to question number 8. The weight of 72 books is 9 kilo. What is the weight of 40 such books? So weight is to be found out on the basis of number of books. This order will be followed. So 72 books are weighing 9 kilograms. So one book will be weighing 9 upon 72 kilograms. That is 8 nines are 72. That is 1 upon 8 kilograms. And 40 books will be weighing 1 upon 8 into 40 kilograms. That will give us the answer of 88 5s are 40. So this will be 5 into 1, that is 5 kilograms. Coming to the next question. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering distance of 594 kilometers. So how much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers? So we need to find out the diesel on the basis of the kilometers it has traveled. So we will write the answers following this order. Question solution on the basis of this order. We will write 594 kilometer gives us 100 and is can be traveled on the 108 liters or but this is the basis and this is the answer which is to be calculated. We will convert that by writing dividing by 594. So 108 and 594. So if I try to do 108 into 5, what will be the not 5, it will be 500 and 8 5s are 40. No. So 594, how many times? 8 will be 7 times. So 594 into 8, if we go 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are 72, 75. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Let it be like this. And we will write the unit. After that, 1650 kilometers will be obtained by multiplying both the sides by 1650 and 594 is in the denominator. 1650 over here. We will try to simplify that. So we'll start by 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18 and this is 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12 divisible by 3. Okay, so we will write, and is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is also divisible by 2, therefore we will divide by 6. So 9 6 the 54 and 54 59, so 5 again 54 then 9 again, so 6 over here, 6 2s are 12 and 4 5, so 4 5, so 7 6 are 42 and 30 will be 5, so 275. Now again divisible by 3 and over here 7 and 2 9 plus 5 14. Okay, now coming to the 108, so this will be 9 1 times 9, 1 8 will be 2 times. So it will go by 9. So this will be 11 and this will be 9 1 times and 1 8 is equal to 2 times. 11 12 275. If I try to divide 275 by 11, so 2 times will be 22. So 27 minus 22 will give me 5 5 5. Okay. 1 times and this will be 2 times 22. 5 5 5 times. So this will be 12 into 25 and that will be the answer, that 250 is 10 times and 25 into 2 is 50 and the answer will be 300. Therefore, 300 liters of diesel will be required to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers. Question number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. can you say who got the pens cheaper? So we just have to compare both the ratios. So we will say that Raju, we will first calculate for Raju, and we will write, we need to find out pens for cheaper. So we need to compare the cost basis of one pen. That is the order which we will follow, and that will be 10 pens given purchased for rupees 150, and I will just write it directly. And directly क्या हो तो अगला step ही है one pen and rupees 150 upon 10, and 10 cancelled out, it will be rupees 15. Coming to the next part, that is Manish. So Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84, and then we will divide by 7 on both sides, and we will get rupees 84 upon 7. That will give us 7 ones are 7 and 1 4 is 12, so this is rupees 12. So comparing both of them, we see that Manish got the pens cheaper. By how much? By 3 rupees per pen. Coming to question number 11. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anoop made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? So for 1 over, we need to find out the runs on both the people. So we need to compare the answers, runs. This order will be followed. So 6 overs means 6 into 6 balls for Anish, and 6 into 6 balls, and that will be 42 runs. And we will say one ball पे कितना रेट पड़ा रन का 42 upon 6 6 36, so 7 6 42 and 6 6 36, so this is 7 upon 6 run. Okay, now we will do for Anoop, and Anoop has scored 63 runs on in 7 overs. So 7 into 6 balls give us 63 runs, and 7 into 6, and over here we will have one ball, and we will have 63 upon 7 6 are 35 42, and that will be okay 3 okay 4 2, okay, so 3 1 times 1 2 4 times, and 3 2 times 1 times, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, and that is 3 upon 2 runs. So just by the look of the fraction, you can understand that 3 by 2 run is greater than 7 by 6 run is greater than 3 by 2 runs, because I told you that in the fraction chapter, that if I have a pizza and I divide it into 2 pieces, and or let's say into 6 pieces, so how do we do that? We do that in the following manner. Okay, and 7 parts are given to one person, that is one full and one more. But in another part, we see that we are giving 3 by 2. That is one full is same as that of the previous one, but 1 2 is more. That is this particular part is more for this. Oh, sorry. I said the opposite. I was saying the correct first time, but then I got the incorrect answer. So 3 by 2 is greater than 7 by 6. What is the second method to compare? The best method to compare, that is we have to compare by making the denominator same. So that is done by 7 by 6 and 3 by 2. So 7 by 6 will remain as it is, and 3 by 2 will become 2 into 3 and 3 into 3, because 3 into 2 is 6. So this will be 6 and 3 3s are 9. So you can now see that after making denominator same, the bigger the numerator, bigger is the fraction. Therefore, 3 upon 2 is greater than 7 upon 6, and therefore Anoop scored more than Anish, whatever the name was. Coming to the next question. So there is no next question. We have completed our exercise 12.3, and with this we have completed all the questions and the concepts of exercise of chapter 12, that is ratio and proportions. And in the next video, we will be completing the whole of class 6 mathematics. And soon we will be starting the science part and the class 7th mathematics. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, follow our videos. The link for the playlist is mentioned in the description. Connect with us on any of our social media platforms. Comment in case you have any suggestions or you need to ask something, and we will definitely respond to that. So, till the next time we meet, keep making notes, keep revising, and keep solving questions as much as you can. Goodbye.